Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Friend, today we'll tell you the date and day and time of Sarva amavasya, and together we'll tell Sarva amavasya. Hindi Panchang amavasya of ashwin month is known as Sarva amavasya. Sarva amavasya is also called Mokshdayini amavasya and amavasya. This day is considered to be of great importance in Shraddha Karma. Amavasya Tithi is considered to be a renewable fruit for Darpan, Pinddan and Shraddha, along with the liberation from Pitra dosh, Matra dosh made in the horoscope of men. Friend, now you know what Sarva amavasya is. Now I will tell you the date of Sarva amavasya. 17 September 2020. Day Thursday. Now I tell you the time. 16 September 2020, 7 o'clock 56 minutes evening time to start amavasya tithi. 17 September 2020, 4 o'clock 29 minutes evening time to end amavasya tithi. Friend, like my video, subscribe my channel, share my video, comment on my video, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.